Few days ago, I saw another common animal but rare encounter and the damage done to the DJI Mavic Mini, shared by Mr.Muhd Darwis RUSLI from one of the Facebook group. By the way, thanks bro for giving me the permission to reuse the audio footage. After watching it, I think the DJI Mavic Mini build quality are really not too bad after all, despite being lightweight, packed with wonderful features. We have seen drone being attacked or disturbed by a variety of birds like the eagle, seagull, crow, swallow and so on. A lot of us had managed a lucky escape. Some even got a great frame of bird captured from a video, accidentally with a great result. And some are unfortunate that they lost the battle. I've also seen other drone users posting bees attack and dog chasing playfully. I think these are kind of common. So if you never know this, be sure to be aware of these animals as they might have a common interest too. So here's the story. This happened at one of the seaside in Melaka, one of the historical states of Malaysia. If you are a Malaysian or a traveler and plan to fly your drone there, better watch out for that. As usual, after the operator enjoying flying his Mavic Mini, he landed the aircraft on the ground. He left his aircraft turned on and continued to download the photo and video he took earlier to his phone. That's when the unexpected happened. I'm not sure what happened in between, but he decided to turn on the recording on the drone. That's a smart move right there, bro. Now let's see what's going on and who is the culprit. The audio footage might get a little bit dizzy and it was beyond our control. Somehow, the operator managed to get it back and share the audio footage and damage to us. Look at the gimbal and camera. The damage was minimal with just a few teeth marks. You can clearly see that the monkey is trying to chew the camera and gimbal. You can even see the teeth and the tongue. And this LED part, claimed by the operator, it was teared off by the monkey's hand. Surprisingly, the battery cover is still intact with no damage. Minor damage here and there. So be sure to look out for Monkey 2 next time before and after landed if you plan to leave your aircraft on the ground unattended. You will never know when it will happen, as I know this is not the first and for sure it will not be the last. Let me know at the comment below if you encounter any animals with similar interests. It is good to share around so that everyone will be aware of it. That's all for now. See you on my next video.